Hello guys, today we're going to be playing a dusty trip. This is where you have to go and drive, and that's literally it. So, without further ado, let's just go in. Why do we start with Wagon? That's interesting. Oh, what are the
Food.
controls?
Food.
So can I
Look
kill
what I
Hamish? That's
got.
the
Get
question.
banana. Look what I got. Get a
Okay,
banana.
I'm gonna save some ammo because I don't want to lose it already. Alright, let's take this car right here.
No, man.
Alright,
Take this
so,
car.
well, I'm not taking that car. That car's too big.
Okay, fine.
Let's grab these massive wheels and let's try and build a car.
A
Bam,
banana. Oh,
bam,
the front,
bam,
Trey. Look at my
bam,
anything.
bam.
I'm moving something.
Oh, this is going to implode.
Dude, I didn't even put it.
Maybe we should have used smaller wheels, not gonna lie.
Yeah, but you put the bigger wheels on. Wheels.
Oh, what is this? Get out of here.
Hey. Let me put
Then,
this. Can I put the food in at least?
yeah.
Yay. Oh, I have to tap to leave.
Oh,
Okay, got it.
that's not that difficult. Wait, hang on.
See it. Okay, I cleaned the car, Aiden.
Good job.
Don't leave without me. What just happened?
Okay, we kind of need to change the wheels. It does not work. The wheels
How
are
do you
broken.
touch?
Mm.
I have an extra wheel.
Where's the
I
stuff
was
that
holding the
glitched
car for a
to?
second.
Now close it. Hey, you're sitting in the back. Your wings are too big.
2,000 years later.
I am not bringing the car. Make it better.
Open the door.
One eternity later.
I'm
Okay,
really getting pro at the game.
let's go. So we're going 40 kilometers. Let's see, nothing. I don't know.
Even attach it.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, where are you going? Are you going Kenya?
And we lost the gun. What is this? Why? I don't want toilet paper right now.
That's a firework.
What am I meant to do with this? What am I meant to do with this stuff? Why is there a toilet? I can use this as a weapon.
I'm grabbing it. So
No, we're not using that, Hamish. We're not bringing that. You can attach to this. Oh wait, that's gonna mess around with the wheels. Wow. Hamish, can you stop? Can you stop, Hamish? Hamish, stop.
Fine, I'll stop.
For how are you moving the car anyway? Okay. Let's go. 3, 2. What is this? No, this game, bro. What is it? What am I playing? Did we do something wrong? Or what the? What is this? Upside down. Hey, miss, do you remember how to move the car? Do you remember how to move the car?
Yes.
Can you please push the car? Can you please push the car?
Okay. I got the car.
How are you doing this? How are you doing this? What? How are you? Where are you going? No, this car sucks. This is might be like the worst car I've seen in my life.
We should have done the big one.
Maybe. I think we're dead. Wait, huh?
Yay! Why are they firing?
Okay, guys, we're gonna restart. I think our game's a bit broken. So we'll see you once we're back here. Okay, guys, so we just got the new vehicle already, and it's actually working better than last time, and it's not destroyed at all. And we got the gun back, and that's pretty much it. So let's keep going. Let's keep driving.
Yep.
Oh, what? Whoa! What is this? Where are we going?
What are you doing?
What is this? Okay, guys. So last time I went the wrong way and we fell off the map. So this time, we're in a different map, and let's go the right way this time. What?
The trunk fell.
Oh my god. Alright, let's keep going. See how fast we can go. This car goes to 160. Let's see if we can reach that. I don't think we can. But yeah,
I'm
we're just
trying to
80.
be a high score.
I think we're on 80. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Truck stop, crashed wagon, and Western Salon.
What?
3,500 we need to get to. We can do that. We can do that.
Do
What is
what?
that? Hang on, we'll stop off here real quick. And this time we won't die somehow. Shop.
What is it? I can't even
Alright, never
see
mind.
it.
That's like Roblox or something like that. I don't know.
Oh, it's shop.
Let's just keep going.
See it.
Okay, wait. There seems to be a stop ahead. We'll go there.
Okay.
Off-road driving. Might be able to find some petrol. Oh, we seem to be fine on fuel, but not. I don't know for how long.
Wait,
Might be a zombie here. Watch out.
We should try to find the trunk.
Okay. Oh, zombies! 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 Zombies!
What do we do?
Oh,
What's
that was
that?
loud. The hell my ears, bro. Huh? He died. Wait, Hamish, what are you doing? Come on, something here to kill him. Oh, this paintbrush. Paintbrush.
Brush, go paint
This guy's an
brush.
NPC.
You can be an alcoholic. Okay, that was good.
Stop it. Stay away from me.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll look for something. Bottle. Die.
Today
Oh,
is
did it work?
Tuesdays.
What's the point of the bottle? This is not realistic. You gotta take this.
I'm gonna die.
It doesn't work. It's not worth it. I have to go, let's go. Hamish, what are you doing? I'll take this.
Tell me. Can you eat this?
What is
You
this?
can't eat it.
It's petrol?
Eat it.
Water, diesel. That was it? Oh, okay.
Diesel
Close.
petrol, I think. I don't
Hamish,
know.
don't die. I'm looking around. What is this? Oh, more
I'm
petrol. I'm
gonna
guessing.
throw it away. He's targeting me. He's
Kill Hamish.
targeting
I mean, don't kill Hamish.
What? Did you just say kill Hamish?
No. I need to fill the petrol up. Thank you. Oil. It's gonna blow up. And if it's good. Oh, that oil. So oil works,
do
right?
this.
Hamish,
this
what are you
next
doing? You're gonna die. We can use this to kill him.
Oh, I'm just trying to
Hamish, come back!
run away. What?
I have a weapon. Yeah. It doesn't work. Run. What was
I
that?
forgot I could run.
This is food. I need
I
food.
didn't could
Oh,
run.
that's food. That's
Okay.
food. Hamish, you can eat the banana if you want. I got enough food.
Run. Banana! Banana! Let me eat the banana. I'm about to die.
Water. Oh, I meant to put the water in the radiator. Oh.
It has
Well,
some
where's our
water.
radiator?
Has some
3.7.
water.
So can we move? Where is it? This one? Can we use this one?
I don't
Oh my
have
god, this
enough
guy's
it.
annoying. I need the gun. Okay, we'll keep this radiator in case ours runs out of water.
Can I eat it, please? I've got out of
Stop
Mexico.
this kid, bro. Alright, let's go back.
Help me!
Hamish, get in.
Let me jump on.
You in?
Well, I'm not in, but I'm on the front.
Oh, okay. You know what? Start.
Just go
Oh,
ahead.
it's not starting. Is it because I added oil to the petrol? No! Don't tell me. Oh, that's not good. I thought.
While you're doing that, I'm just gonna stay right here. Okay?
What is this? Can this fix it?
Come out.
Okay. I'm pressing R, it's not working. Hang on,
Okay.
backpack. What?
Let me just stay in here and you can. Yeah. lost.
Oh hell yeah! Come here, bro. Huh? Die, die, die. Yeah, that's what I thought, bro. That's what I thought. Pick up. Okay, so it turns out I had an inventory of a samurai sword, and I did not know that. So are we stuck here then? Is it this? You the reason? Moved it?
What? Go ahead, moving, right?
Okay, yeah, we're stuck. So,
Wait, actually, we're not stuck. Let
What?
me do my skills. Okay, one sec, one sec.
what is
Let me use the
this?
car. Let me use
What
the
is
car.
this?
Let me use the car.
What is this? Well, apparently it's a glitch where you can hold it and then it fly or something like. But I don't think I have the right item for it. Maybe this. Yeah.
Let me move it. Let me move it. Oh no! Don't do the glitch.
Doesn't work.
Don't do
How do you
the
grab
glitch
it?
slide.
How do you grab? How do you push? What the? Hang
What are
on,
you
what?
doing? Push it.
Oh. Is that how you push it? Oh. Alright, keep pushing your hands.
What?
Come on, start! Oh, I shouldn't have added stuff to the fuel. How do I get rid of it now? What if I use this to fill it up? Yeah, no, I don't know what to do.
Okay, let's go. Let's move.
Hey, we're going the wrong way. You realize that?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Let's just go. Let's just run for it. Run!
Just
We can
run,
make
yeah.
it to 3,500! Oh my god, oh my god. What is this? What was that?
What just
What was
happened?
that? Okay, so I made it to the house thingy.
I'm
Huh?
flying. I'm
Why was it getting
flying.
blown up? This is
Flying.
it? This is the whole thing? Ow.
I wonder what you're seeing right now.
Ow, okay, I'm leaving. Alright, so there's like a buff guy, right? He's not that deadly.
A zombie?
Oh, that is deadly though. I see ya. See ya, bro. Oh god, no, he's gonna kill me. Don't one-shot me!
I have a
What is
backpack.
this? Wait, I got this. Don't hit me. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, yes, die. I died. I lost my sword. I lost my samurai sword! No!
Feed the runner, feed the trap.
It's fine, I got this. I have an idea.
In the
Please
run,
revive, give me. Yes.
What are you up
Where is my samurai sword? Oh my god, it's not here. What the
to?
hell? What the hell? Help, Hamish! I'm gonna stand right here. Close
I
the
can't
door.
be careful.
What does this say? What the? Okay. You can't see me.
Aiden! I got something that can protect
Oh, my
us.
samurai sword's back. What the hell?
Aiden! I bought something that
Why is
can
he staying there?
protect us.
Yes!
I want to
Defeated!
do a turn glitch.
Too easy. Take this back. What the-
Very caught.
Why are you still carrying that around? Oh my god, I hate that thing.
What was that?
It's invisible now.
What's that?
Oh, I don't even want to know. I'm out of here. So I
Me
did that
too.
revive for nothing, because there's nothing. And there's nothing in there. What's the point of that house?
I just look different though. Okay, now it's the same. Okay. For a second, I
What's
could see
that?
my whole mask.
Oh, broken car. We can use that. Wait, I think there's a zombie. There's a zombie there. My bad. Okay, zombie in here. Let's use samurai sword. I'm not using the gun. Samurai sword's better. Quickly open the door. Let's go. Die. Is this actually doing anything? Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna die, Aiden.
I'll take this back.
Aiden, are you
Shield.
low on food?
Found a shield. I don't think it works though. Anything useful? Card or...
Aiden, we
Oh, there's food.
found a house.
What is this?
I found a
Torch.
house.
More food, actually.
Wait.
Yeah.
Aiden,
Yeah?
what's your distance? What's your distance?
2,449.
2,449.
I'm right. You can see me. You can see me, Hamish.
Yeah, I can see you. Hi, Aiden.
Hello.
See anything, Aiden?
Oh, that was the quickest nighttime.
Yeah, I know. I'm so happy.
Wait, is that a person? That's a person. Hello. Hello.
What?
Oh, that should be crushed.
Is it?
Mutant data. What the? Okay. So it turns out you can't take this, I guess. Unless. What the? Why can't I use this? This is the first piece of like grass I've seen, bro. Hmm. So you're saying that I'm gonna have to keep running. Okay. Can I like use this? at all?
Run.
Nope. Wait, maybe we can use a tablet.
What?
I'd rather use a tablet than the
Why
other
am I
thing.
losing?
It's an
Why am
iPad.
I getting
Ooh.
those things?
Let's see what iPad it is.
There's a car,
I do not know.
Aiden. You can do this.
No, we can't. Okay, let's go. Hey guys.
Why? This?
Max Verstappen killed me.
What?
Max Verstappen killed me. That I just got hit by a truck. I tried running out of the way, but like it was too fast.
Max Verstappen killed you.
That's why I'm saying I give up. I'm not playing this game ever again. So thank you guys for watching. See ya.